This is Carl with the three things to watch for Monday, December 30th. Starting out, we're going to look at China's economy last week. We got some indicators out of there that were not that great. China said that their November industrial sales were down 7.3% from last year. They're trying to say that that was an improvement because in October they were down 10%. So, in fact, it was. But when you look at the amount of stimulus money that China has put into their economy, it's not that friendly of a sign and really does cause a little bit more concern over China's red meat imports, commodity imports, you name it. And that does lead into our second story that China has announced that they're going to investigate their beef imports. Unlikely this is going to impact the United States. We're only about 10% of China's beef demand of their imports. Now, they are our largest export destination, but China gets a bulk of their beef out of Brazil. 42% of their beef comes from Brazil. If you get a chance, go over into last Friday's livestock update. I covered this a little bit more in depth, but the bottom line is China gets a lot of their beef out of Brazil, 42%, lower grade. They want high grade beef, and that comes from the US. So I don't think this is going to impact the US at all. For this week's trade, it's going to be another choppy environment. We got a normal trading session today, tomorrow, first notice day on the January contracts. It's also New Year's Eve. We are closed Wednesday for New Year's Day. We will open Thursday morning. Be very similar to last week. A little bit maybe more positioning in the cash market this week, especially today and tomorrow. You tend to see heavy cash sales the last few days of the year, guys getting positions in line for their taxes. So, bottom line is expect a little bit more volatility this week. It's going to continue. A couple things to keep an eye on. Like I said, first notice day, we got the holiday. Keep an eye on weather in South America. I'm sure we'll be talking about that later on in the week.